Hi guys, and welcome back to Coupon with the Lady. It is once again time to go over to CVS Pharmacy and see what the sales are going to be like next week. This will be the sales week starting 2/25 February, already towards the end of the month, and we won't be long until Easter comes around. So y'all hang around. Let's get some breakdowns for you so you can make some decisions on what deals you want to try next week. So our very first deal is on the Colgate toothpaste. They are on sale for $3.99. When you buy one, you'll get back one ECB. So pick up one of the toothpaste and use that $2 off one coupon that's coming out in the 225 Smart Source. You'll pay $1.99 and get back one ECB. That makes it only $1 a tube. Even better if you have a red box coupon. The next deal is nice and easy. It is the Dawn dishwashing detergent. They are on sale for 99 cents. There's a 25-cent manufacturer's coupon that you can send to your card from the app, making that only 74 cents. Revlon is on sale for buy one, get one half off. And we're supposed to be getting a mystery coupon. Now, usually those are about $3. So if you wanted to use it this week, you could pick up two of the Revlon Cream Single Eyeshadows. They run around $7.99. You would use two of the $3 off of one coupons in the Smart Source 211. You would use your mystery coupon, pay about $2.98. That makes those $1.50 each, and it applies to beauty. Maybelline is on sale. When you buy two, you'll get back 6 ECBs this week. So pick up two of them. You can use two of the $2 off one coupons from the 2-4 Red Plum. You would pay $10.98 and get back 6 ECBs, making those only about $2.50 each. Now that would be a good deal if you have a red box coupon. With Easter coming around the corner, Hershey's candies are on sale, 3 bags for $8. Plus there's an instant red box coupon that's supposed to be printing for everyone for $2 off 3 bags. Now that makes them $6 or $2 each. If by chance we get a manufacturer's coupon to pair with that, that'll be a really good deal. Here's a mix and match deal that you could do. One option is to buy 4 of the Ziploc bags at 2 for $6. When you spend $12, you'll get back 4 ECBs. So you'd want to pick up 4 of them. Use 2 of the $1 off of 2 printable coupons from Ziploc.com. You would pay $10 and get back 4 ECBs. That makes them only about $1.50 each. Be even better with an RBC. Next, scooch on down the aisle and pick up a bottle of Purex laundry detergent. The 50 ounce is on sale for $2.99. You would use one of the 50-cent off one coupons from the 211 Red Plum. You'll pay $2.49, but you'll get back $1.50 in extra care bucks. That makes it like only $1. Here's another easy one. The Tide Pods are on sale for $4.94. There's a $2 send a card coupon on the app that you could use with that, making those only $2.94. The Palmolive and Lysol, Airwick, and Ajax are all buy one, get one half off. And when you buy two, you'll get back 2 ECBs. So one option is to pick up 2 of the Palmolive at around $1.79 each. Your second one will ring up for about 90 cents. Your total would be $2.69, and you would get back 2 ECBs. That makes those only 35 cents each. Another candy deal is on the M&Ms. They're on sale, 2 for $6. When you buy 2, you'll get back 1 ECB. Now you could use that $1 off 2 Mars candy coupon that's coming up in the 225 Red Plum. You would only pay $5 and get back 1 ECB. That makes that only $2 a bag. CoverGirl products are on special. When you buy 2, you'll get back 5 ECBs. So one option would be to pick up 2 of the eye and brow liners at $5.29 each. You would use one of the $3 off 2 CoverGirl products coupons from the 128 Smart Source, pay $7.58 and get back your 5 ECBs. Now that would make those, about $1.29 each. It's even better though if you have a Redbox coupon or a % off coupon to pair up with it. Speed Stick deodorants are on sale, buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2 you'll get back 2 ECBs. So what you could do is pick up 2 of the Speed Stick. They're about $3.99 each, and your second one will ring up for about $2. Use 2 of the 50-cent off 1 coupons that are coming out in the 225 Smart Source. You'll pay $4.99 and get back 2 ECBs, making those only $1.50 each. The L'Oreal hair color is 2 for $17 next week, and when you buy 2, you'll get back 4 ECBs. Now, this is still part of that buy 7 get 1 free promotion that's going on through the end of May. So what you would do is pick up 2 of them. Use 2 of the $2 off 1 coupons from the 211 Red Plum. You would pay $13 and you would get back 4 ECBs. That makes those $4.50 per box. That would be an even better deal if you had a Redbox coupon to match up with it. The Vaseline lotions are going to be on sale, buy one get one half off. When you spend $15, you'll get back 5 ECBs. So pick up 2 of them, get the 20.3 ounce size. One of them should ring up for about $7.99 and the other about $3.99 depending on the prices at your store. You'll use 2 of the $2 off 1 coupons from the 128 Red Plum, or if it's already expired, they should come out again in the 225 Red Plum. You'll pay $7.98 and get back 5 ECBs. That makes those bottles only $1.50 each, which is a fabulous price for Vaseline lotion. And if you've got a Redbox coupon or a % off coupon to add to that, it'll be a steal. Talk about great deals. The Tresemme is buy one get one half off, and when you buy 3 you'll get back 5 ECBs. So you'll want to pick up 4 products. Now a lot of people are just going to get 2 shampoos and 2 conditioners because the buy one get one free coupon is on those, and you'll actually come out a little cheaper doing that. But if you want to get 2 of the hairsprays and then 1 of the shampoo and conditioners, you could use 2 of the $2 off 1 coupons for the hairspray and 1 of the buy one get one free coupons on the conditioner and shampoo. Both of those are coming out in the 225 Red Plum. You would pay $10.04 and get back 5 ECBs, making those only $1.26 each. Still a fabulous deal. The Colgate mouthwash is on sale for $5.99. When you buy 1, you'll get 1 ECB. So pick up 1, use the $2 off 1 coupon that's supposed to be coming out in the 225 Smart Source. You'll pay $3.99, get back the 1 ECB. That makes those only $2.99 a bottle. The Kleenex tissues are on sale, 3 for $4. If you use the coupon for 50 cents off of 3 from the 128 Smart Source and add that to an instant Redbox coupon for $1 off 3 that we're supposed to be getting, that would make those boxes only 83 cents each. Physicians Formula are on special, spend $14 and get back 10 ECBs. Now remember, you don't have to spend the full $14. CVS does have a 98% rule, so as long as you get to within 98% of that $14, you will trigger your ECBs. So if you don't have a Redbox coupon or % off coupon to match with it, you'll pay the $13.99 and you'll get back the 10 ECBs. Okay, guys, you made it. I know sometimes it feels like an accomplishment to get through these videos, but it still looks like a good sale for next week, and I think you've got plenty of options. Just pop over to my website, www.couponwiththelady.com, and you can take a quick screenshot of the deals with your phone to take over to CVS with you, or you could copy and paste it to a Word document. Don't forget to check out Saving Star and Ibotta, and even check out 51 before you go so that you can see if there's any of the rebate deals that you want to match with those. And altogether, I hope you have a fabulous haul next week. I'll see you this weekend. Bye, guys.